Hey guys, so in this video we are going to solve this question 2 posted in the session. So let us begin with the question. So the question says that 80 people in a colony were surveyed and it was found that for every 6 people who read the Hindu, there are 4 people who read Times of India. For every 9 people who read the Hindu, there are 3 people who read both of them. Further, the number of people who read both of them is same as those who read neither of them. So let us make a Venn diagram. So this will be for Hindu, okay, and this one will be for Times of India. Okay, then there will be a universal set in which there will be some people who are reading none. Now it has been given to us that for every 6 people that read the Hindu, okay, let's name them ABC. So it is saying that if A plus B is equal to 6x, okay, then B plus C is going to be equal to 4x. This is the first equation which we have been given. The second equation which we have been given is that if the number of people reading the Hindu is 9x, that is, if A plus B is equal to 9x, then the number of people reading both of them is 3x. So that means then B will be 3x. So from this we can conclude that A will be is equal to 6x. Okay, so this will be the ratio, A will be 6x. Now what we can say is, see, if A plus B was 6, then B plus C was 4. So if A plus B is equal to 9x, then B plus C can be equal to 6x. Okay, B plus C can be equal to 6x. And when A plus B is equal to 9x, we have seen that B is equal to 3x. So we can put this B is equal to 3x in this equation and we can get that C is equal to 3x. Okay, so now what do we have? We have A is equal to 6x, we have B is equal to 3x, and we have C is equal to 3x. Also what we have been given is that the number of people who read both of them is same as those who read neither of them. That means that n will be is equal to 3x. Now what is the ratio? We'll always write the ratio in the simplest form. So what we can write it as, A will be equal to 2x, others will be equal to x. Okay, so what we can write here is this is going to be equal to x. Sorry guys, so this is going to be equal to 2x, this is going to be equal to x, and this is going to be equal to x, and n is also going to be equal to x. Now what we have been given, there were 80 people. So now we know that the people who are there in the society are only the person who read only Hindu, only Times of India, both of them, or neither of them. Only there are 4 category of people. So what we can write is that A plus B plus C plus n is equal to 80. What we can write here is then 2x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 80, or we can say that 5x is equal to 80 and x is equal to 16. So the people who read only Hindu is 32, people who read both of them is 16, read Times of India only type of Times of India is 16, and number of people who read none of these is also 16. Now let us to move towards the questions. So the first question says, how many people read only Times of India? We know that our answer is 16, because as you can see, only Times of India, we will count only this part, that is equal to x, that is equal to 16. So first answer is 16. Second question is, if how many people read the Hindu and the Times of India? That means it is asking about both the categories. Okay, so both is read by x, that is also again equal to 16. So correct option is answer D, option D. Coming to third, how many people read only the Hindu? We know that A is equal to 2x and A was the only Hindu. You can see it in the diagram also. This part is only Hindu. Okay, so this is equal to 2x, which is equal to 32. So our answer will be option B, that is 32. Coming to question number 4, if 12.5% of the people who read both of them stop reading the Hindu, then what percentage of total number of people read the Hindu? Okay, so both of them, now both of them is read by 16. Okay, it is saying that 12.5% of them stop reading, that means 87.5% will still read. 87.5% means 7 by 8, so 7 by 8 of 16, that is 14. Okay, so now it is being said that both will be read by 14, and the others, that two more people who were there, who were reading both of them, went to Times of India. Okay, then what is going to happen is that the Hindu will be read by, let us check. So the Hindu, the total value of Hindu will be 32, that is only Hindu, plus 14, that is going to be equal to 46. the total will be 46, and what percentage will it form? 46 by 80. So 46 by 80 is 57.5%. Okay, so 57.5% will be our correct answer, that is option number A. So I guess it's clear to you all how we solve a Venn diagram in two variables. We always form this Venn diagram. We label each and every term, like C, like this is going, we are going to label this A, B, and C and N, and then we are going to form our equations, and from equations, the simply as we solve our simple equations, in the very same manner we will solve this. Okay, so I hope everyone is done and clear with Venn diagram in two variable. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's continue with the Venn diagram in three variable.